some pissed off fools, son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off fools, son.
I see them long, hard times to come.
Everybody, anybody tired of hearing that? What's up, everybody? Should I say ladies and gentlemen? What the fuck should I say? I don't know. I'm tired. Just got off work, headed home, hoping for a good ride this morning. My ride to work last night sucked ass. A lot of left lane drivers and being douchebags. People cutting me off. Of course I wasn't recording because I don't record on my way to work. I just record on my way home for some reason. I think it's because I can make a video easier on the way home because I get this slower riding for a little while before I hit the interstate. And I'm running it, you know, 650 miles an hour. Me. Shit, I did want to download one of them GPS apps so I can actually see what I can get this thing up to since it stops at 120. Did it once before and I hit 135. Since it's back to almost basically stock now, I'm really curious of what I can get it to. I don't know. I was really trying not to make another random bullshit talking video. But I feel like subjects are just not a thing. Like, I feel like people are tired of subjects. You know, unless it's something like current, like, you know, the Sportster S or something like that. But I was thinking, what do we got going on here? We got a man lift in the road. Or is that one of them extend-a-forks? That is an extend-a-fork. Moving the K-rails. Anywho, thinking that, you know, a lot of people have done it, and I've done what's your favorite bike or your dream bike or blah blah blah, but I don't think I've ever asked the question of when did you very first start riding? When did you actually first riding? And it could be a dirt bike, you know. When was the first time you were actually on two wheels? Not bicycle, I'm talking about motorized. And we're not counting mopeds either. Something that could be considered as a dirt bike or street motorcycle. Or off-road motorcycle, you know. Adventure bike life. When did you very first start riding? I don't even remember my year. It's been so fucking long. I remember when I was a kid, my first dirt bike was a 1980 Suzuki 80. And that puts it at, right at, oh man, I went on two wheels, fuck, at least 35 years, if not more. I remember my buddy growing up, what was his name? Dusty. His last name was Dusty Goodlow. That's what it was, Dusty Goodlow. He had a Yamaha, I believe it was an, I don't remember the year, but I believe the size of it was an 80, and it was one of those big wheels. It was a dirt bike, but it was a big wheel. And I know some of you guys are gonna remember what I'm talking about. Y'all are gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. Had the big giant wheels on it, big giant tires. to tear some shit up with that fucking thing. If I can find a picture of one, I'll throw it up. But it was fun. It's pretty cool. But my first actual bike was that 1980 Suzuki 80. Fun little son of a bitch. Ended up wearing out the front sprocket. And had this grand idea to just flip the sprocket around. It actually worked for a little bit, then it just spun the sprocket completely dead. And that was the end of that dirt bike. I had a Yamaha 125, Yamaha 175, then started getting into street bikes. I can't even list off all the street bikes I've had. I've had so many of them. I've had a lot. Especially growing up, had a lot of them. Here's another question. Say somebody's been riding, I'm gonna guess, I was already in 6th gear, I'm gonna guess like a total of maybe 5 years now. They started off on a 250, upgraded to a 300, upgraded to a 600, and still kind of mobbed around on 600. It's got a couple thousands, but they've only been riding for 5 years. Do you think they have the right to dog everybody they see talking about motorcycles, say, oh, well, you're wrong, or tell them how they should be riding, or tell them how they should be wearing gear, or not, you know, what they should be doing on their own bike? I don't give a fuck if you've been riding 30 years or 1 year. You're not going to tell me what I should be wearing or how I should ride. Especially when you mobbed around on a 250 for like 2 years. No. You're not a professional. You're nothing. Don't tell me how to ride. This hasn't been done to me, but a couple of the Facebook motorcycle groups I'm a part of, you get those people that like to talk that kind of shit, like to tell everybody, oh, you're fucking squid, blah, blah, blah. It was like very hot here the other day. Someone took a picture of a guy on a sport bike. He had a helmet, he had a short sleeve shirt, jeans, and tennis shoes on. They called him a squid because he wasn't wearing full suit, full gear, you know. That dude ain't a squid. He's got a fucking helmet on. He had gloves on. Should have been wearing a jacket. That's up to him. I don't give a fuck. I really don't. It's their ride. It's my ride. I'm gonna ride and wear whatever the fuck I want to wear. Ain't nobody gonna tell me how I gotta ride. If I don't want to wear a helmet, I'm not gonna fucking wear a helmet. You wanna call me a squid? We'll fight about it. I'm not gonna settle my shit with words. I'm just gonna beat your ass with your own helmet, and then we'll be done about it. I'll put your helmet back on you after I'm done. How about that? I hate people like that. It's like, y'all motherfuckers just need to mind your own fucking business and let people ride their ride. Everybody knows the chances we take when we get on these bikes every single time. Leave people alone. Let them ride. This is the way I see it. This guy's going to pull out in front of me. Nope, he went the other way. Done ranting about that. Anyways, back to it. When did you start riding? What was your first bike? I'm curious. Fuck, I hope I'm recording this. Hopefully the sound is working. I forgot my mic fucked up last night. It went in a weird position and I didn't put it back. Hopefully the wind ain't too bad. The wind was horrible in this helmet last night. I probably ought to slow down. There's big cops sitting up here past like last Friday and yesterday. fence right up here on this on-ramp, right behind him where that shit's growing over that fence so you can't see his car. Prick. I really hate doing vlogs while I'm riding on the interstate. It seems boring to me. It's loud. I'm running 85 right now. Or, I mean, I'm running 65 right now, the posted speed limit. My speedometer's off. I'm sprocketed, that's what it is. I'm sprocketed on this belt-driven Harley Davidson. Alright, well, let's get on the left side of this guy. See if he gets out of the left lane. Thank you. What a nice sir or ma'am. Give him a wave. Thanks for getting over. Continue on about my day. Well, I don't know. I got nothing else to talk about. That was pretty much it. And I just kind of pulled that out of the seat of my pants. Just now I turned the cameras on. I was like, oh, what the fuck am I going to talk about? Like, I don't know. Like I said before, it's getting kind of hard to do this anymore. Even though I really checked the other day, it's like, holy shit, my fucking videos have been really getting a lot of views. Like, even though I haven't posted in a month until last week, it's like, damn, my videos been getting a lot of views. I haven't been paying attention. I haven't got any comments or nothing, so, except for the comments on my last video. Showing my muscles off. Well, that's not going back down. Oh well. Come on, UPS guy, you're not even supposed to be in the left lane. There's a law against it. I'm pretty sure it's UPS. The trailer looks like a UPS trailer. Oh my god, he's got that fucking wind. Bro, get over. You're not supposed to be in the left lane. I can't stay behind him. He's fucking me up. Okay, well, I might actually wait to end it until I'm not home because it's awfully loud. It got really loud. I feel like I'm screaming into the microphone. Alright, now see, this is what I'm talking about. There's a law against trucks being in this left lane that's not allowed. So this guy knows he's coming up to a hill that truckers have a problem getting up to. They can't climb this hill very good. He gets over the left lane, blocks the left lane traffic, and there's a law against it. He's not allowed in this left lane. So all you truck drivers, you come to Kansas City, stay the fuck out of the left lane. You're not allowed in it. There's several posted signs in the median that says you're not allowed to. Right there. No trucks. Well, I really hope this video is usable and the audio is usable because I just reached up there and fell and the mic is all the way at the bottom of my helmet at the chin, which means it's really, really windy. And I bet right now it just got super crazy loud because now it's up against my mouth. Oops, wrong one. Well, I really need to readjust this mic. I'm might switch up helmets too. Might switch back to the old airflite for a little while. The variant, man, it's loud, windy, blah blah blah. Pulls on my head a lot. Still so much better than the original variants. I really love this helmet. Well, Nicole hasn't texted me to tell me that she's awake, so I'm gonna go the back roads so I can coast down the hill and not wake her up with this loud ass Harley Davidson. But I'm not gonna end it at a red light, you know I won't. Man, it just feels like I'm doing 50 and I feel like it's loud as shit. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I'm done rambling, blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. As always, go over and hit up my Instagram if you haven't already. That's where all the really good stuff gets posted. I mean really good stuff. If you're new here, you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. Stick around for more fun stuff. Make sure you hit that like. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what I was talking about earlier. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, your first bike. Or when did you start riding and what was your first bike? There we go. If you stayed this long. Comment, like, share. As always, dream about me. And I'm going to turn this corner. Let's do a scrape. Oop. And I will catch you on the flip side. Later.